These are simple steps to prevent hormonal behavior, but that doesn't mean these will stop them forever. And as birds, it's their nature. If you have enough space, time and energy, let them do it. But if you aren't ready for this, you can try these basic tips. Decrease daylight hours. Birds think it's mating season if they see more lights during the day. This may be the sun or any other light source at home, so simply decrease the light, especially in summer. Decrease vitamin E consumption. Vitamin E also triggers hormonal behavior of birds. Check the vitamin E amount of your bird's diet. Introduce your bird more pellets. Remove nest boxes. Remove happy huts, nest boxes, and anything that looks like a nest or something to get in. Also check the room for this kind of items. Birds focus on mating when they see a nest-like thing. Change your bird's cage setup. Change the places of the perches, food bowls, and toys at the cage twice in a week, for example. In this way, your bird will be busy with the new setup. A busy bird is a happy bird, so keep your birds distracted and stimulated with some nice toys and safe to chew on. Also, a foraging box in the bottom of the cage is hours of fun for them. Move the location of the cage. If you move your bird's cage from time to time, this will also keep them busy with discovering things from different point of view. Remember again, these are simple steps to prevent hormonal behavior, but that doesn't mean these will stop them forever. And as birds, it's their nature. If you have enough space, time and energy, let them do it.